And from amongst you there must be a party who will call people to all that is good, and will enjoin the doing of all that is right, and will forbid the doing of all that is wrong. It is they who will attain true success. Do not be like those who fell into factions and became opposed to one another after clear signs had come to them. A mighty chastisement awaits them on the day when some faces will turn bright and other faces will turn dark. Those whose faces have turned dark will be told, "Did you fall into unbelief after you had been blessed with belief? Taste then chastisement for your unbelief." And those whose faces have turned bright, they will be in the mercy of Allah, and therein they shall abide. These are the messages of Allah, which we recite to you in all truth, and Allah desires no wrong to the people of the world. To Allah belongs all that is in the heavens and the earth, and to Allah are all matters referred for decision. You are now the best nation brought forth for mankind. You enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong, and believe in Allah. Had the people of the book believed, it were better for them. Some of them are believers, but most of them are transgressors. They will not be able to harm you except for a little hurt. And if they fight against you, they will turn their backs in flight, and then they will not be succored. Wherever they were covered with ignominy, except when they were protected by either a covenant with Allah or a covenant with men. They are laden with the burden of Allah's wrath, and humiliation has been pitched upon them. All this because they rejected the signs of Allah and slew the prophets without right, and because they wantonly disobeyed and used to transgress. Yet all are not alike among the people of the book. There are upright people who recite the messages of Allah in the watches of the night and prostrate themselves in worship. They believe in Allah and in the last day, and enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong, and hasten to excel each other in doing good. These are among the righteous. Whatever good they do shall not go unappreciated. Allah fully knows those who are pious. As for those who denied the truth, neither their possessions nor their children will avail them against Allah. They are the people of the fire, and therein they shall abide. The example of what they spend in the life of this world is like that of a wind accompanied with frost, which smote the harvest of a people who wronged themselves and laid it to waste. It is not Allah who wronged them, rather it is they who wronged themselves. Believers, do not take for intimate friends those who are not of your kind. They spare nothing to ruin you. Indeed, they long for you to suffer. Their hatred is clearly manifest in what they say, and what their breasts conceal is even greater. Now we have made our messages clear to you, if only you can understand the danger of their intimacy. Lo, it is you who love them, but they do not love you, even though you believe in the scriptures. When they meet you, they say, "We believe," but when they are by themselves, they bite their fingers in rage at you. Say, "Perish in your rage." Allah knows even what lies hidden in their breasts. If anything good happens to you, they are grieved. If any misfortune befalls you, they rejoice. Yet if you remain steadfast and mindful of Allah, their designs will not cause you any harm. Allah surely encompasses all that they do. O Messenger, remind the Muslims of the occasion when you went forth from your home at early dawn to the battlefield of Uhud and placed the believers in battle arrays. Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing. And recall when two groups from among you were inclined to flag, although Allah was their protector. It is in Allah that the believers should put their trust.